Welcome IGCSE students. Today we're doing exercise 8.12, the cosine rule. And before we start, it's probably worth thinking quickly about the cosine rule. So in a triangle we have three sides. We can label the sides A, B and C. And so the cosine rule is we take side A, which is our unknown side, is equal to B squared, one of our known sides, plus C squared, another one of our known sides, minus 2 times side B times side C times cosine A, which is the angle opposite our unknown side. So we can use this rule when we know two sides and an included angle. So like something like this. If we know this, this, and this, then we can find that. Okay, that's one way of doing it. Now there is another way of doing it, and that is if we don't know the angle but we know three sides. So I'm just going to write this formula that I've got here: a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine A. We can use it either to find an unknown side, A, or an angle opposite a known side if we know the other two sides of the triangle. So those are the two kind of situations we'll use. Now, here's an example of the first situation. We have unknown angle and its opposite side, and we know the other two sides. Okay, so all we're going to do here is we're going to apply that. X will be our A, so x squared is equal to, and it does not matter if I choose 6.3 to be b squared or if I choose 5.8, it doesn't matter. Okay, minus 2 times 6.3 times 5.8 times cosine 100. Okay, now if you just plug that into your calculator, should come out with the right answer. 6.3 squared plus 5.8 squared minus 2 times 6.3 times 5.8 times cosine 100. Just put a bracket around the end of the 100. I'm getting, it should be x squared is equal to 86.02 blah blah blah. Okay, and we're going to square root that to find out what x is. Therefore x is equal to, and I'm getting an answer of 9.27 centimeters to three significant figures. Now the next question that I'm going to do with you is one that you have in your exercise books, and I think this is one of the ones, textbooks, and this is one of the ones I actually set you. You've got three sides that seem like they're unknown, but we do have a ratio here. So because we have a ratio, we can work out the angle. It's 3 to 7 to 5. Okay, and we've got an angle here. So first of all, we're going to decide what A and big A are. So that's A, little a, our side, and this is big A, our angle. So let's just chuck this in and see where we get to with it. Okay, so we're going to go 7y, and that's going to be squared, equals to 3y all squared plus 5y all squared minus 2 times 3y times 5y times cosine x. Now let's just expand that out. I get 49y squared equals 9y squared plus 25y squared minus, now this is negative 30y squared cosine x. Okay, now I hope you can see at this point that we've got a y squared term here. This term is y squared, this term is y squared, and this final term is y squared. So at this point I'm just going to divide both sides by y squared, and that will get rid of that from everything. So my next line is going to be 49 is equal to 9 plus 25 minus 30 cosine x. Okay, now we bring this across to the other side. So 9 and 25 will give us 34. And if we go 49 minus that, we're going to get 15, I think. Should be equal to negative 30 cosine x. Divide both sides by negative 30. So we should get negative 1/2, because 15 over 30 is 1/2. So negative 1/2 is equal to cosine x. And so x is equal to the inverse cosine of negative 1/2. Now, when we do that, I get 120 degrees. And that should be my answer for that one. Well, I hope that helps you get going on this exercise from your books. As always, let me know in the ThinkWave message if you've got any problems. Alright, good luck guys.